Welcome everyone to the July edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name's John McNamara of Highball Advisors down here in Greenwood, South Carolina for this month's edition of the newsletter. Got a lot going on, but let's just review. 6 months, half the year is over, right? What's happened? We had a banking crisis, right? Silicon Valley Bank. We had a dollar crisis, dollar going away, and the debt ceiling crisis, government shutting down, end of the world. Well, needless to say, it's July. Nothing of that's really affected the markets much. They've been up on the year. So I just want you to start thinking about that. We consider that a lot of noise, all right? So you got to think about your long-term goals when you do your retirement planning, all right? This month has some really good stuff. I have a whiteboard video on 7 quirks that could surprise couples when they claim railroad retirement, right? Couples have interesting dynamics. Maybe one's on Social Security, when I need claiming strategy, survivor benefits. Check out that video, very good stuff there. My mailbag for the month is on a railroader that's coming back to the railroad. All right, it's left the railroad, comes back. Do they go back to zero? Where does it start? Good stuff there. Also, I have an economic chart on consumer confidence, right? What happens to the stock market when the consumer confidence is very low? Really interesting stuff, eye-opening. Take a look at that one. And then finally, I have a checklist on reviewing your existing life insurance. Now, most of you have your life insurance through work, but is that enough to provide for your family? So you want to review your life insurance. You probably want to do that annually, to be honest with you. Life changes. All right, so that's it for July. I hope you enjoyed this newsletter. Share it with other railroaders, and then we'll see everybody here next month. So everyone, till then, stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.